Hi viewers, today we are discussing some of the MCQ questions from the chapter Coordinate Geometry. Mainly there are three formulas in coordinate geometry. First one is distance formula. This formula we are using for finding the distance between the 2 points. If P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2 are 2 points, then the distance between the points P and Q is PQ is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Next one is the coordinate of the point P xy which divides the line segment joining the points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 internally, then the ratio of m1 is to m1. Then the coordinate of the x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, and the coordinate of y is equal to my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. The line is joining in the ratio m is to n. The next formula is the formula for finding the area of a triangle whose three vertices are given. If the three vertices of a triangle are given, we can find the area of the triangle using the formula half into x1 into y2 minus y1 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Choose the correct answer in each of the following questions. The distance of the point P minus 6, 8 from the origin is 10. The distance of the point minus 3, 4 from the x-axis. Here we have to look the coordinate of y. The answer is 4. The point on the x-axis which is equidistant from the point A minus 1, 0 and B 5, 0 is. The answer is 2, 0. We will get a x-axis 2. It is from the x-axis, therefore its y-coordinate is 0. Therefore the answer is 2, 0. If the point C, K4 divides the joiner of the points A 2, 6 and B 5, 1 in the ratio 2 is to 3, the value of K. Here we are using the sections formula. It is dividing in the ratio 2 is to 3. Therefore, we can find the value of K by substituting each values. K will get a 16 by 5. The perimeter of a triangle with vertices 0, 4, 0, 0, 3, 0. One point is origin, other one is in the x-axis and the next one is in the y-axis. Therefore, directly we can find that the length of the sides are 3 and 4. Then we can find the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse will be 5. If A 1, 3, B minus 1, 2, C 2, 5 and D x4 are the vertices of a parallelogram ABCD, then the value of x. Given that it is a parallelogram, therefore its diagonals bisect each other and they are meeting at one point. Therefore, we can write midpoint of BD is same as midpoint of AC. We can find the midpoint. Then solving, we are getting x is equal to 4. If the point A, x2, B minus 3 minus 4 and C 7, 5 are collinear, then the value of x. Given that the 3 points are collinear, that means they are in a line. If the 3 points are in a line, the area of that line segment is 0. Using triangles formula for finding the area of a triangle, we can substitute each values and equating the area as 0. Then we will get the value of x as minus 63. Next one is 13. The coordinate of the point P divides the line segment joining the points A 1 3, B 4 6 is in the ratio 2:1. Given that the ratio of the line P divides the line AB is 2:3. By substituting for x and y coordinates, we will get the value as 3 5. 14. If the coordinate of one end of the diameter of a circle 2 3 and the coordinate of its center is -2 5, then the coordinate of the other end of the diameter, we can take the other end as xy. It is dividing in the ratio 1:1. We can find the value of x as -6 and the y as 7. Therefore, the coordinate is -6 5. In the given figure, P 5 -3 Q 3 y are the points of the trisection of the line segment A 7 -2 B 5 -1, then y is equal to, given that it is trisection, that means it is dividing into 3 parts. Therefore, the answer is -4. Next question, the midpoint of the AB is P04. If the coordinate of B are -2 3, then the coordinate of A are, given that it is dividing in the ratio 1:1 because it is midpoint, we will get the answer as 2 5. Which point on a x-axis equidistant from the point A 7 6 and B -3 4? Equidistance in the x-axis. X-axis means y coordinate is 0. Therefore, we can take a P as x0. A is equal to 7 6, B is equal to -3 4. Given that they are equidistant, therefore AP squared is equal to B square. We will get the value of AX as 3. Therefore, the coordinate is 3 0 because it is in on the x-axis. That means y coordinate is 0. The distance of P 3 4 from the x-axis. Therefore, we have to take the y coordinate. The answer is 4. In what ratio does the x-axis divides the join of A 2 -3 B 5 6? The answer is 1:2. They are dividing in the ratio. We will get the value of k as 1/2. Therefore, the ratio is 1:2. In what ratio does the y-axis divides the join of the points P -4 2 and Q 8 3? In the same way, we can do k is equal to 1/2. The last question, if P -1 1 is the midpoint of the line joining A -3B and B 1 B plus 1, then B is equal to, the answer is -1. We can take a P as midpoint, therefore it is dividing in the ratio 1:1. The answer is 1.